Hi there, welcome to another help video. In this video, we will be going over the headline section of the Tools tab. So let's begin. This tool controls the one-liners of text that rotate from right to left, usually near the top of the page on your site. Here, you can add new headlines and link these headlines to either internal or external pages. Active headlines are headlines that will always rotate on the website. Here, you can see the text for the headlines, which can be updated by clicking on the box. You have the option of either linking internally to a page on your website or externally to a page on a different website. You can also use the disabled checkboxes to disable headlines from displaying on your website without completely deleting them. However, if you did want to delete them, use the red trash icon to delete the headline from the website. Note, you would have to click the Save Changes button if you made any changes to the text, link internal, link external, or disabled checkbox fields. You can re-enable headlines by going to the Disabled Headlines section and clicking on the re-enabled checkboxes and clicking Save Changes. The headlines will then be re-enabled and brought back into the rotation. As you can see, we have 3 active headlines currently on our website. I'm going to go into the demo website to show you what these look like and to see how they're linked. As you can see, the headlines are rotating from right to left at the top of the website. You can tell whether or not a headline is linked based on if it's clickable like the first 2 or not clickable like the last one. And that wraps up this video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to click on our page demo, visit our help center, or contact customer support. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other help videos and we'll see you next time.